President Emmerson Mnangagwa is praised ZANU-PF's new strategy to build a war chest as the ruling party prepares to railroad reforms designed to elbow out Vice President Chiwenga from succession race and the rising tensions in the ruling party. Zarapena mashuko budanyo kwa pangwa ine achinzi Mnangagwa moves to bury Chiwenga hopes. Don't go subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. My developments are not konzi. These are sinister developments. Arukono konzi. They are being architected. Pangwa ine against VP Constantino Chiwenga. Today we saw this headline Ramur Kona Newsday. Akanzi Mnangagwa moves to bury Chiwenga hopes. Pangwa ine the hopes of succeeding the president or of becoming the president of Zimbabwe. Pangwa ine aradza kuti zvigananda. They are working on it very carefully and making sure that VP Constantino Chiwenga Anongwa Konzi is an individual, a retired general. Arukonokwa Konzi, he wants to restore the gains of the liberation and restore order in the country. Pangwa ine Achanokwa Konzi is a leader. Pangwa ine who is dismissing corruption, who is dismissing cronyism. Pangwa ine Achiti. That's his main agenda after becoming the president or taking power. Pangwa ine achipromisa my citizens in Zimbabwe when he becomes the president is going to remove everyone who is corrupt. Pangwa ine is going to provide employment. My resources estate Pangwa ine achanga fully owned by Zimbabwean citizens. Pangwa ine it is a direct threat to the Canada function, which Pangwa ine is opposed to the view of VP Constantino Chiwenga, and Pangwa ine is threatening those who are holding power. Doma developments are Pangwa ine are this faction now is promised which it is going to bury my hopes of VP Constantino Chiwenga to become the president. Na comment section medu board zama fungure enyi motu kulipa msoro pechi tukupichi. Na comment section medu subscribe or like punch on the bell icon.